Hello everyone. Welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn subject EVS Standard 4th lesson number 5 Water for every household. Video number 9. Water is life. Our body is made up of 70% of water. Without water we can't survive. We use water for different purposes like drinking, bathing, cooking, agriculture, industry, and navigation. The picture below shows some containers used for storing water at home. These containers are having different shapes, size, material, and color. We need water all the time. We have to store water in the house so that we can get it when we need it. Earlier, brass and copper pots as well as earthen pots were used to store water. In our houses also there are different pots were used. People also built tanks in their houses to store water. Nowadays steel or plastic is also used to make different containers for storing water. But while we using this water, we should take a care of drinking water. Care of drinking water. To ensure good hygiene, we must have safe drinking water. If we consume contaminated water, it can cause diseases. That is why we take special care of the water we store for drinking and cooking. We keep the drinking water containers covered. This prevents dust and other rubbish from entering the water. If we dip our hands in the water to take it out, the dirt in our hands can enter the water. So, we use a dipper to take the water and we replace the lid at once. But the best method of taking water is to have a tap on the container. This way it becomes easier to take the water and it also prevents contamination. When the water in a container is finished, we wash the container well before refilling it. If we take such care, drinking water remains clean. That means we can use any container, but it should be very clean after finishing and before refilling it. Water does not become stale. Some people believe that the previous day's drinking water must be thrown away and fresh water stored every day because the previous day's water becomes stale. But this is a misconception. Throwing away that water amounts to wasting good water. We should use drinking water for other purposes only if it gets dirtied due to some reason. For example, we can use such water for growing plants, washing utensils, washing clothes, etc. Many people live in the city area. So how they get water in their house? For this, we come to know that a large cement or plastic tanks are installed on the roofs of big buildings. Water from these tanks can be piped to the kitchen, bathrooms, toilets in these buildings. When taps are fitted on the pipes, water can be taken or shut off according to the need. This is how water from just one tank can be obtained at several places in a building at the same time. That means when we turn on the tap, we get water, and when we close it, the water is closed. This is the water supply in a house. Water supply for a human settlement. We get water from reservoirs. That means lakes, rivers, reservoirs are sources of water. They are often at long distances from our houses. It is difficult to collect water from such distant places. Besides, we cannot be sure that the water can be used as it is for drinking. That is why a large water source is identified near a settlement. Water from it is brought through large pipes to a common places. There is the water is made safe for drinking. This is called purification of water. Arrangements are made to distribute this water all over the town or city. This is called distribution of water. Activity under adult supervision. For this, you will need a plastic bottle. Take a plastic bottle, cut off its upper narrow portion. Make 4 small holes on the 4 sides of the bottle near its base. Cut a spent ball pen refill into 4 pieces. Fix one piece into each of the R4 holes tightly. Fill the bottle with water. What do you see? Water flows from all the 4 tubes. What does this tell us? Using pipes, we can distribute water stored in one place to several different places at the same time. So, students, what we have learned today, we need water continuously. So, we store water at home. A lid and a tap on a water container help to keep the water clean and make it easier to use. If drinking water is not potable, it can cause diseases. Therefore, special care must be taken of drinking water. Do understand the concepts and revise at home. Thank you.